In this video, I will show you how to see your Spotify Wrapped in 2023. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, the first thing you're going to want to make sure is that your Spotify is up to date. So what you're going to want to do is open up the Play Store. Of course, if you're on an iPhone, that's going to be the iTunes Store, and just go ahead and search for Spotify. So next, what you want to do is just double check, and if it does say update, make sure to update the app first of all. And once that's done, you should now have access to Spotify Wrapped. So once that's done, what you're going to want to do next is go ahead and open up Spotify on your device. And once that's opened, the wrap section has actually changed. So if you come up to the top, you've got these different icons, like for example, music and podcasts. And if you actually scroll along, you can see at the very end, we've got the wrapped section. So all you need to do is press onto wrapped, and that's going to take you across to your Spotify Wrapped of 2023. From here, you can see everything related to Spotify Wrapped, such as the top artists and tracks of 2023 and the best new podcasts of 2023. So another way you can actually do this, if you can't find that on the app itself, is to open up a mobile browser on your device. And what you want to do is just go ahead and come across to spotify.com/wrapped. Once you've done that, you're going to see here you've got access to your 2023 Wrapped. For myself, I didn't actually listen enough to get my own Wrapped, but for yourself, if you do use Spotify, you will have access. And when you first initially come across this website, it's going to ask you to log in with your Spotify account. Once that's done, you can go ahead and view your Spotify Wrapped 2023. So I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.